For over a century, SCG has stood as a leading cement manufacturer and a key contributor to the cement industry in Thailand and ASEAN. With a commitment to development, innovation and sustainability, SCG continues to lead the way in low-carbon cement solutions, advancing progress towards net zero. Recognized as a leader in ASEAN, SCG is shaping the future of building materials and construction. This year, the world's largest cement conference, INTERCEM, has chosen SCG as its official association partner for 2025. SCG is ready to introduce groundbreaking low-carbon cement innovations and advanced construction technologies, set to revolutionize the industry and drive a more sustainable future.